And about the hose connector, many buyers will be very concerned about the hose connector. I mean, the PVC leaflet hose usually use the aluminum kim locks. Many customers will worried about that because most of the PVC leaflet hose manufacturers are only hose manufacturers. They don't provide the connector. But don't worry, my dear friend. We have stable suppliers to provide the PVC hose connectors like this aluminum kim locks. And we also can provide the installation service that need you pay for that. And like this board, it's very famous in Europe, board connector. If you are in front of the camera, and you will see that. And many customers will be worried about that. But don't worry about us. We have our own stable suppliers about the PVC connectors, about the PVC leaflet hose connectors, and also this, like that, and this the straps. Look, Cooper, and this is Cooper. If you are in front of the camera, you will see it's very useful about this type of connector. Look. This is for easy to you to check this connector. And what I show to you is all the 2-inch. I mean the connector size is 2-inch, but and this is 1.5 inch. And but don't worry, if you have different size, don't worry. Just feel free to tell me, and we will provide the customers for you to match the hose. Even you didn't buy the hose from us, we also can provide the hose connector.